Hello, I've started a new project. The aft cabin is mostly done. All I need to do is finish painting, and make some cushions and a little cupboard door. So I got to take all these port lights out, which is a pain in the rear end with one person, because I have to hold the screws from the inside. Since these are a couple $100s a piece, I'm going to try not to break this, but they're also 30 years old, so almost 40 years old now, almost as old as me. So it's probably going to break anyway, even though I'm not going to try to. There we go. We got it all in one piece. Oh, 3 pieces. So it's savable. That saves me $240. And I love saving money because I don't have a lot, and all this stuff costs a lot of money. Everything here is it's ridiculously expensive. You say something's marine grade, you can charge 3 times as much. So what I'm going to do with this, actually, I already have the pieces, is I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to put a new screen in. Bang, look at that insect screen. Isn't that handy? A new gasket, which cost maybe $13. This here, you clean that up, just polish this. It will come clean, almost 100% clear. I mean, real close. I got the other port light off, and I'm just getting ready to put some acrylic over the holes with flex tape, since that's my favorite thing. Oh. Well, these are some exciting times. So, this is the nav station. Disaster, but you can see, maybe, just how badly rotted that was. And the lighting's bad and it's backlit because of the window. So I'm cutting out, I already did that, cut straight down in the good wood here. Ripped that out. I've got another cut over here. So it's between the bulkheads, they're tabbed in, and the wood's good on that side of the cut. So I'm just removing this part. I got the wood in there. It's curing. I epoxied it in place rather than using contact cement. And I think I'm going to go back to contact cement because of the cure time. This is some potent stuff. And these windows don't open really right now, so I'm not liking this. Probably I've killed at least 40% of my brain cells right now. Oh, man, I gotta get out of here. This is horrible. I don't think that's good for you. I'm pretty sure. Let's consult the text here. Don't get in eyes. May cause respiratory harm. Yeah, okay, figured that one out, thanks. Causes skin irritation, causes eye irritation. Suspect of damaging fertility. Okay? May cause organ damage. Very toxic to aquatic life with long-lasting effects. Okay, boat, don't sink. We don't want this getting into the life. Hello. I got exciting things in the mail from Defender Marine. This contains new port lights. Brand new I only was able to buy 2 of them because I'm a broke guy, but here we have a fixed port, so that's going to be going in the chart table right over here. I'll show you in a second. And a bug screen spare, that's good. Yeah, didn't land where I wanted to. And a actual genuine opening port here. I'm not trying to do any kind of weird unboxing stuff, I'm just trying to say, like, this is awesome. So there you go, brand new. So this is the body of the new port light. It appears to be the same size. There we go. Alright, there it is. Brand new, never before used port light. And you can see the difference in clarity. See that? That's nice. You can see right through like a window. Right over here it's not so bad actually. Good job me. I got this ceiling situation going on here that I'm working on right now. A lot of these ceiling panels looked a little bit like this one. Just total garbage. So I replaced the wood. I saved the vinyl. I'm knocking things down. But I replaced the wood part of them. Look at that. It fits just barely. But just barely is good enough. That's all I need. I just need close. So I lost some of the footage. I think my camera is either not recording or not saving in a format that my computer can handle, or my computer just deletes it while I'm uploading it to the computer. I'm not sure which. The computer's very old. The camera's very old. It was given to me because somebody didn't want it. So, but as you can see here, I have a ceiling, mostly. Okay, I'm going to turn around here. Got all the wall painting is done. The port lights are in. Look at that nice beer fridge down there. I got the fixed port light right there. That got installed perfectly. And then over here we have more paint and everything is nice and happy. So it's looking good. I've moved on into the head. I was going to give you a little sneak peek of the disaster in there right now, but now I'm not going to. So you can just come back when I post a video about it and watch.